Good day, it's June 30th, and yeah, last day of trading for the month of June, but on our series here for selling call options with Chico, we're going to just reset our account back to the for the new month. We'll talk a little bit more about that. So what's happening in the news? Exciting news. So Oracle hits a new all-time high because they've landed some deal worth over 30 billion a year, and this continues on with their narrative about how their data centers are just like firing all cylinders. Over here it says our multi-cloud database revenue continues to grow over 100%, and we signed multiple large cloud service agreements, including one that is expected to contribute more than 30 billion annual revenues starting in 2028. So yeah, they've already announced it now, even though it's a 2028 thing. So yeah, they're doing well. And then what other exciting news is Robinhood. Robinhood shot up today because they've announced a new crypto service that expands into EU and other features that's supported in the crypto. I won't go into it on this video here, but I just want to say that Robinhood, one of my favorite stocks for the buying and selling series, at least favorite in the present times, continues to fire on all cylinders too, and it's surging. Now Carvana has been dipping in the recent times because of in I guess potentially it could be insider selling, it could be there's subprime loans, it could be also short sellers coming out and pointing out all these things, but you can see today it's going back up there. This morning hit a high of 335, and so this is the one I want to target. So you can see here, this is the 1 month chart. It dipped all the way down to 290 over here on June 16th, and now it's coming back up, and I want to potentially sell a call option today on it. We'll see how much more it can climb up. Maybe I'll open up position near the end of the day if it continues to go up around 335, and then I'll look at the option chain and maybe sell a call option, or maybe I'll sell it at this price. I'll decide, but I just wanted to mention that because look at Carvana. If we did, I would do something like 345. It's 215 per contract. Do 340, but that's a little bit close for comfort for me. I think I would do like 345, and yeah, so our accounts reset back to 40K. As for people who are joining this video series about selling call options with Chico, yeah, every month we reset back to 40K, even though we have one more day of trading in the month of June. I'm just going to lump this day in with July so it simplifies things, and yeah, 40K, that's where we're at. AMD was the one last trade we did last month that we got hurt a little bit with. It's kind of sideways today. I can pull up the chart here. See, here's the implied volatility for Carvana is 0.668, so relatively high, and so I like that because I'm looking for a good reward. Of course, there's more risk to it. Yeah, here's AMD. AMD's it's going sideways here. So maybe, I don't know, some money outflows, or maybe just a little bit of a kind of like a temporary break, I don't know. The other interesting stock actually was on Friday was Palantir. Palantir took a dip at the end of the day. Here you can see it just drooped from 146 all the way down to 130. So that was like quite the sudden downshift, I guess you can say. And then all of a sudden its implied volatility surged because of that. So yeah, I don't really want to touch Palantir at the moment. Maybe later this week, I don't know, depending how things goes. If it pops a little bit more, then maybe that would be also a candidate. But anyways, yeah, so the plan is maybe Carvana. I'll let you know tomorrow if I do open the position or not. All right, well, that's it for today. I hope you have a good start to your week. And again, this is a short trading week because of 4th of July. So we only got 4 days, and the expiration goes, I guess it's still Friday, but I mean, like, basically everything ends on the end of Thursday. The prices are all for regular trading hours are all done. All right, I'll catch you later. Bye.